In this video, we will show you how to convert BUSD to USDT in Binance app. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is on your mobile device, go to a Binance app and log in. You can log in using your QR code or your credentials that you have used when registering. Okay, so it depends on the interface you're using. So right now I'm here at the convert. Alright, so I have an options here for market and limit. Alright. Now, what we are trying to do today is to convert BUSD to USDT. Alright, so all I'm gonna do, if you're opting for the market right now, search for the BUSD right here. That's the Binance. And then of course the USDT. Now, in certain situations, there might be price differences, all right, between trading pairs involving USDT compared to BUSD. So converting between the two can capitalize on these differences. All right, some traders that I know or users might prefer USDT, all right, due to its a wider acceptance across various exchanges and platforms compared to BUSD, all right, which might have limited use outside of Binance. Alright, now depending on Binance's fee structure or ongoing promotions, there might be instances where converting between BUSD and USDT incurs lower fees or provides fee saving opportunities. Alright, but again, before making any conversion, it's crucial to consider transaction fees, current market conditions, and your specific trading or investment strategies. So stay updated on any policy changes or updates from Binance regarding these stable coins, right? Now that's how you convert BUSD to USDT here on Binance. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have suggested topics that you would like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments section. I love reading them all. And yeah, see you in our next video.